everyone, this is Dawn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super fast set of cards using brush strokes and all kinds of awesome. And bonus, these two sets are on sale until the end of June. Okay, so you need white cardstock and black cardstock. I have white cut at 4 by 5 1/4 and also at 1 3/4 square. So I'm going to start out with candy apple and scarlet. I've just chosen a variety of coordinating ink colors, and you can just go in your stash and pick whatever you like. So I'm going to start out and ink up this brush stroke stamp that looks like a pool of paint in candy apple, and I'm doing first, second, and third generation stamping. And then I'm going to ink up these little splatters, the stamp in scarlet, and stamp around it. So I'm just random stamping on that large panel. And then I've pulled from All Kinds of Awesome the stamp that says All Kinds of, and I'm stamping that in scarlet. And then I'm going to stamp, they're separate stamps. You can stamp them in several colors. This one says You Are, and then the next stamp says Awesome. And so then when you put it all together, it says You Are All Kinds of Awesome. So you can do multiple color stamping. Okay, so I'm going to flip my Versamat over and we can assemble. So I'll show you the basic assembly of 2 cards, and then we can go forward. So I'm rounding the corners, just 2 corners of this small square, just for some interest, and then we can start building our card. Okay, so I'm going to assemble my sentiment on top of a 2x2 black cardstock block. And then my card base is an A2, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I'll put that larger panel down on it. So I've got a black border. And then I'm going to bring in some craft foam and just cut it down quickly. And then add that with some wet glue. Super quick and simple. You can create a whole set of cards in less than an hour. I think I made all of these in about half an hour, so very quick and simple, but super cute. And they're good for, they're both feminine and masculine, I think. Okay, here's some close-ups of the first one. It's in candy apple and scarlet. And then the next one, I just chose rainbow colors. So the next one I'm going to do in nectarine and paprika. Yellow is a little difficult to see with these images, so I skipped yellow, but I went with the orange colors. And again, I'm taking paprika and doing the larger paint splotches and then splatters in nectarine. And then I'll stamp the You Are All Kinds of Awesome in 2 colors. And now that you've seen the assembly, I'll skip ahead. So that pink tool that you see underneath my ink pad, it's actually, I think it's a pot holder. It's found in the cooking section on Amazon. And they come in all kinds of colors, but it keeps my stamp pad from moving around when I'm using it. So that's what that is used for. And they're rather inexpensive. You can get lots of them on Amazon. So that was the nectarine and paprika, and the next colors I'm going to use are clover and green apple. And I'll show you the stamping of this one, and then for the next 3 I'll just skip ahead and show you close-up shots. That one was supposed to be a little bit more random, but that's okay. I'm the only one who notices, right? Okay, so we have our base done, and then I'll bring in that 1 3/4 inch square and stamp You Are All Kinds of Awesome in 2 colors. So I have clover and then green apple. Super fun. So all you need is black and white cardstock, and just go in your stash and pick all your ink colors. You can make lots of cards. Okay, So here's some close-up shots. Lots of fun. And then I made 3 more. This one is in Capri and Bluebird, Wisteria and Grape, Flamingo and Sangria. So we have our whole set here. Lots of fun. I hope you give this a try. And bonus, these 2 stamp sets are on sale. So all of these supplies are found in my online store, currently available, and I will make a list with links in the description below so you can do some shopping. I appreciate you watching my video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And then you'll be able to find all of my videos. And I have quite a few in the library there. I'm getting close to 300. Woohoo! So thanks for watching.